Well, firstly, I'd like to say thanks for a great stand again. Stands are always easy to put up, but the presence and the design that you created for us and the height has really made a statement. So we're absolutely rammed. Been so busy the last 3 days. Yeah, I think obviously their knowledge base is fantastic, but image is so important. So you can see we've got new designs on our skin, very modern. Has to come with the modern stands. So again, and the fantastic position. I think our favourite thing, I love the floor. I think the branded floor sets us apart from our competitors, where if you leave the normal standard carpet, I think it's a brand sort of like welcoming to a customer coming on that they're dealing with a quality company. I mean, basically, we've just probably done about 5 shows already this year. The stand is universal, so we use the stand in different shapes and sizes, which again, you've helped us with the design. It's reusable. So we are literally, 3 weeks' time, I'm going to be at the restaurant show in the NEC. We can't always dictate the shape of the stand that we actually want to be in that location. So for example, today, I'm on a 4x3, traditionally I'm on a 6x3. So we have to be versatile, but equally we've got a great marketing team. And as you know, with technology is always innovative and moving forward, we need new graphics. So again, the flexibility, we have different graphics for different shows. It was from the journey from the beginning. The beginning, we know in sales, you can get an order, but it's the aftercare, it's the friendship, working as partners. We're great believers in partners, and what you've given us is that. So when we want something, you're there. When we want advice, you're there. And equally, you've actually been very adaptable to our designs. So fantastic. You can just be here, but you haven't got the right image. It's really not doing your brand much good. So for us, this image, the way we portray ourselves, and again, thank you to you guys for helping us on that.